Hello everyone, my name is Tan Yishen. Today, my group members Kersing, Yonghong and I will talk about Big Data and NoSQL databases. So now, let's Yonghong explain about Big Data.
For my part, I will share about the Big Data. What you know about the Big Data? Big Data is referred to ways compared to the data set that traditional tools like the spreadsheet can manage or analyze effectively. So the real value lies in the discovery process, identifying the patterns and asking insightful questions, and it also predicting the behavior to grab better outcomes. For this slide, I will talk about the key features of Big Data. In the volume, we measure the scale of data and it often to measure in gigabyte to megabyte. For the second, in veracity, it deals the format of data structure, like the semi-structured and the unstructured data. It's to demanding the efficient organization of effective use. The third, in value, it emphasizes the deriving meaningful, effect that align with user scope. And for the velocity, it represents the generation and processing of data from sources and sensors in social media and logs. For the last, in veracity, the data quality and reliability is needed for accurate analysis and it often requiring the cleaning. For this part, I will talk about the types of Big Data. First, the structured data is well organized and easy to understand by both computers and the humans. Besides that, it includes a clear structure like the tables and spreadsheets, and it making it simple to store and access in the database. The second, I will share about the unstructured data. Structured data is a specified format, it making it more complex to manage and analyze. Besides that, it includes words and data types like social media content, videos, and text message. The semi-structured data is a brilliant structure and unstructured element. And it also lacks a rigid format but is used to test or market or organization.
Now let's talk about the information of NoSQL database.
NoSQL is a type of database management system that is designed to handle and store large volume of unstructured and semi-structured data. Unlike traditional relational database that use table with predefined schema to store data, NoSQL database use flexible data model that can adapt to change in data structure and are capable of scaling horizontally to handle growing amount of data. Now, let's move on to key feature of NoSQL database. First, we would like to talk about flexibility. NoSQL allows developer to store and retrieve data in a flexible and dynamic manner with support for multiple data type and changing data structure. Secondly, performance. NoSQL optimized for high performance and can handle a high volume of read and write, making them suitable for big data and real-time application. Following that is horizontal scalability. NoSQL designed to scale out by adding more nodes to a database cluster, making them well suited for handling large amount of data and high level of traffic. Lastly, document-based. MongoDB uses a document-based data model where data is stored in schema-less semi-structured format, such as JSON or BSON. Now, I would like to discuss of NoSQL database. First, document-oriented database. This database stores data as semi-structured documents such as JSON or XML and can be queried using document-oriented query language. It can be used for content management system, e-commerce catalog, and user profile. So secondly, key value database. This database stores data as key value pair and are optimized for simple and fast read-write operation. Key value database are ideal for caching, session management, and real-time data processing. Next, column family store. Data is organized by column instead of row, allowing for efficient querying of large dataset. The use case of column family store are real-time analytic, time series data, event logic. That's all for me. Now let Yishen talk about NoSQL database and Big Data.
First one, let's talk about Big Data and NoSQL integration. The synergy between Big Data and NoSQL databases is evident in various ways. First, scalability. NoSQL databases can horizontally scale to accommodate the massive volumes of data generated in Big Data environments. And the second one is schema flexibility. NoSQL databases are well suited for storing and managing the diverse data types found in Big Data, whether structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. And the last one is real-time processing. Big data platforms like Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark often integrate with NoSQL databases for real-time data processing, analytics, and machine learning. Next, Big Data challenges and NoSQL solutions. First, Big Data involves vast amounts of data that traditional relational databases struggle to handle. So in this case, NoSQL databases are designed to scale horizontally, allowing them to manage massive datasets across distributed systems. Next, Big Data is generated and needs to be processed quickly. So, NoSQL systems like Redis and Mongo database are optimized for fast reads and writes, making them ideal for real-time application. And the last one, Big Data comes in diverse formats, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. So, NoSQL databases offer flexible schemas or schema-less designs, accommodating different data formats easily. In summary, NoSQL databases provide the infrastructure and tools to efficiently store, retrieve, and analyze big data. Then, big data analytics frameworks often integrate with NoSQL databases to store and process large datasets. Without big data, there might not be as strong a demand for NoSQL databases. And without NoSQL databases, big data systems would face significant bottlenecks in storage, scalability, and performance. That's all for us. Thank you. See you next time.